Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 3rd of our video series in which we are learning about flowers in Korean language. In Korea, flowers are not just admired for their beauty but also cherished for their deep symbolic meanings. Each blossom tells a unique emotion, reflecting virtues and the rich heritage of this vibrant culture. So let's delve into the symbolic meanings of some of the most beloved flowers in Korea and discover the profound messages they convey. Let's begin. Here comes the first flower, which is the most important flower in the Korean culture, being the national flower of South Korea, and that is Hibiscus, and its Korean name is 무궁화. 무궁화. It symbolizes immortality or eternity, and the name of this flower, it reflects the enduring and everlasting spirit of life. Okay, so basically 무궁화 means immortality or the everlasting spirit of life. Okay, it gives you hope and the power to survive even in the adverse conditions. Alright, let's look at the next flower, and that is sunflower. In Korean it is called 해바라기. 해바라기. It symbolizes happiness and positive energy because it helps brighten up someone's mood. Okay, so just as its name suggests, it is a positive energy source. Next comes another very important flower, and that is rose. In Korean it is called 장미. 장미. Now for Korean people, roses have different meanings according to their colors. Okay, so let's talk about different kinds of roses. First comes the red rose. Red rose symbolizes passionate love and desire. Next is the white rose, and it represents purity, innocence and youth. Next is the pink rose, which conveys gratitude, admiration and happiness. And the last one, but not the least one, is the yellow rose, and it is often associated with friendship and joy, but it can also signify jealousy. Okay, so these were some of the roses. According to their colors, they are being differently categorized. Okay, they have different meaning, they have different significance based on their color. Okay, next comes the flower plum blossom, and in Korean it is 배화. 배화. Now plum blossoms, it symbolizes resilience and hope. Why is that? Because they bloom in late winter and in early spring. So despite of the harsh conditions of winter, they bloom. Okay, and therefore they symbolize resilience and hope. Next comes another very beautiful flower, and that is orchid. In Korean they are called 난초. 난초. Orchids symbolize luxury, beauty, strength and love. They are often seen as a symbol of rare and delicate beauty. Just like the flower, orchids are kind of rare flowers. So they are seen as a symbol of rare and delicate beauty. Okay. Next comes the flower violet, and in Korean it is called 제비꽃. 제비꽃. It symbolizes modesty and humility. Next, let's look at another very beautiful flower, lily. In Korean it is called 대갑. 대갑. Now lilies in general, they symbolize sacredness and purity, and again they are categorized according to their color. So white lily symbolizes purity and innocence, and yellow lily, it symbolizes gratitude and joy. Okay, so this is the significance of lily in the Korean culture. It is a very important flower. It is very significant when we are talking about culture. Okay, next comes the very popular flowers of Korea, and that is the cherry blossom. So cherry blossom is very popular in Korea, we all know that. So in Korean it is called 벚꽃, 벚꽃, and it symbolizes beauty and purity. Very simple. Next is a beautiful flower, and that is tulip. In Korean it is called tulip, tulip. It is a loan word, okay? Now again, Korean people, they have categorized tulip according to the color of the flower, okay? It has different meaning according to its color. So first comes red tulip. It symbolizes true love and passion. Next is white tulip, which conveys forgiveness and purity. And next and last one is the yellow tulip, which represents cheerful thoughts, but it can also mean unrequited love. Okay, so it has both the positive and negative side of itself. Fine, so these were the three tulips that mean differently according to their color. Okay, so in this video we discussed the symbolic meanings of some of the most popular and beloved flowers in Korea. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.